Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continued support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yeah, so as we continue, this is part 6, you know, as we continue the series. Yeah, this is part 6. Yes, you know, and you'll hear some things about some shocking information that I want to tell you. This is the first time Jamaican people is going to hear this, that General Starkey is related, their blood cousin related to Jim Brown and Dudus. You're going to hear this from General Starkey, blood cousin, because they are from Lizard Town. That is right beside Tivoli Garden. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
And sit down over there with our picnic. And the evening she bathed and sit down over there with our baby in her hand and Kunda just come and shoot her straight in her chest.
But why him shoot her?
So I asked her, then I asked her, I said, then why him killing baby mother? She said, you know, enough of them know them dead bad man, them walk and give themselves fear trouble in the community. So it's like him get tired of it. People are complaining to him and them something there. So I don't know if he did talk to her before or but it's like he get tired.
So him kill her because of that?
And the family them move. I don't know where they move, but a Walter Mars are we.
Then move man, a Waterford them did come on them thing there. Them live brighter in my party, a Waterford.
How funny it is, them know them can't move, but them never move till when something happen to them.
Yep, I saw it going to get to money. I know so them move fast though.
Yeah.
And enough of them fools still win and they still come back inside it.
Yeah.
Can't lose them life.
Then when this my brother come in the night, he said, what are you doing about him come for gun? He said, no, go knowing that the man them find all of the gun. He said, him know in which part he used to hide them. He said, I tell my little sister to follow him. And in no fire, I say, I tell you. So my little sister follow him, go put him palm bus out up the. I said, try go on, not canning here. And I saw him get saved. And one day me said 2 pipe coming about him come, I look for gun and Peter that kill him over Zimbabwe. We don't want to go on the vine. The boy, them call the man, them where you side. Where you side, they go on them.
Them switch and go to the bow.
Show the man, them where they go on them there. Not one gun them could have did fine.
So how much children you have?
I have 7 now. When me done them, me did have 3.
So 4 born up here.
No, 3 born up here. Let me tell you. When me there in a town, me have 1 for Lady, for Barley.
You have a kid for Lily Sims?
Yeah.
So where is that child now?
Him live never get him and me never left me pick with him and I take him take badness and take him from my sister them. So because him a police and him a work and him a visa, me never really interested because since him take him, make him keep him.
So him never met the boy get the visa and them thing there?
No, and him a visa.
I saw some police there, you know, real dirty man.
Him a carry feelings and I go out with him only for madness.
Oh, Lady Sims?
My son.
Oh, he want to blame you now. So you don't file for him?
No.
Then file for him, man.
My son file for him and I tell my son to stop it because me buy my house and him me left and copy that 2002 and him a collect rent off of my house so much. After me left for the room them for rent out and the money going on my account for me could have buy more house.
Him spend the money per girl.
Him spend up the money and waste the money and him now fix the house. Right now me and my daughter and my son have to fix the house. You know, so in all these years I collect these money and now do nothing and it starts some argument where my son have to put him in a place and tell him say he's a thief.
Why? Well, I saw it go. You know, you have to tell people the truth. You understand? So
Yeah,
but you have to still make him come on them things still, you know?
No, because him blame people and nobody. First of all. When him flag at school, auntie, I carry water and I catch coal fire.
No,
and the father believes say the shall take care of me. Go down there, my sister them tell me and me see him carry the water with him should I in school and stop him.
Which country that?
No, if I don't get the scheme.
So she never make him go to school?
Huh?
So which part him used to live? Which part him used to live?
He used to live in the scheme in a sniping road there.
So why Lady Sims never make him live with him over across the waters?
Because I forgot work, who would I look after him? So his sister in the scheme, so she's responsible for look after him. But if my sister them never in there, my son could have come eat food and things, but I have to death because peer wickedness when they leave the pit them come and find them, man.
I'm family terribly, you know.
Yeah, then enough things, the one them come enough things, them tell me and thing and me ask them why them never call me and tell me. Then if my sister them have my kids, them you know the one never come in, them wouldn't reach because them know about the trip and them never tell me. How my brother call me one day and tell me say, because I used to just send money and I send barrel every minute. I send barrel and the things them I put to them now I get it. The food now them I go away, them collect the money and the food and them gone. So one day my brother call me and tell me said, look, you just send money and barrel and the pit to them hungry. So I say, all right, here we go. I tell him which part my friend live over at Jonestown, so if you go call her, call. Maybe she have picked the one. I know she will cook food and get the pick them and things. So I just tell him for that. And she come and tell her and she go take the pick them and things. And I want to tell her that girl couldn't read and write. And my daughter used to have to read and do things for her.
And she treat them better than your sister?
Mm-hmm.
And your sister vexed you from that, though?
No, sir, because my sister, remember them. Me vexed with them for a while, but after me just. No, I'm saying I just saw. I still get because I also buy me give my sister a house, but like a 2-family house. One of them. The other one never come. She's scared of the scheme. Them kill her son. The boy will kill her son. Them kill him back and them are plan to kill she and her daughter, so them are fair no papa man.
And them no want to forget one of them thing there.
Them no want left because them no hear when them put on them clothes, them nobody not rate them. Boy, you are the first man put on that and you know.
So the boy will kill fear son. How him come from over Havana?
The boy come man and grow a girl in the street who to drink Michael Manley. Mama never even have food to buy for feed him. Michael Manley free milk. Yeah. And the free school bun and milk.
Nutribun, bullet.
Nice enough.
Boy, it milk smell, but you never drink the milk though.
Yeah, man, me used to drink it.
Why me couldn't drink? You know, so me couldn't drink milk though. No,
me drink it.
No, sir, milk smell too bad, man.
Well, she the mama used to go collect it, cause what happened, you know? When my brother did over there, one boy must take over one gun from over there. And him coming at the scheme and my nephew said to tell him say him know the boy and whatever. So my brother say, here my sister them living here, you know, just leave it alone. My brother tell him say leave it alone. Don't say no, him my nephew know like him and the boy always in that things. And the boy beat one of the boy friend must have beat him up. And him go over the station and the police, him come with the police. The boy see the police are coming and him have a gun, and him said I'm run with the gun or something, turn up there make the police kill him. My sister did have to send him away. But anyway, him come back and I scheme and like he made never so good like something. You know, I don't know if the people, the woman will pick the dead, mad him or something. Oh God, so much advantage and so much wicked things.
But ghetto people, that's my wickedest. Hey, on the thing, we as black people who own Jamaica, in a ghetto a gang and killings. You understand? When the man them got foreign and make money, the man them don't come back and try to help. And if them
them show off on them one another.
Then I say go on them thing, man.
Them show off on them one another with car and clothes and ray and whatever. So that boy now named Michael, him take it up on female in my nephew mad state, him never so collected. All him and shoot him in the head, must have 3 times him shoot him in the head. So him go back to England, you know, and get deep and come back, you know. And one of my nephew friend them must drink down a field, see him cousin shop, drink and muscle tipsy and come and put a gun on him throat and shoot him drop same place and dead where him kill my nephew. Yeah, so them say Obia. From my nephew dead, you know, cause to me used to send the money go give my sister, you know, for bank, you know.
Yeah.
So when she hear upon the news, cause my sister that she did live up on Marvally, when she hear the news, so she just grab her bank book and go down there. And tell my sister if they come and them go make the funeral arrangement. So true, him mother know, she know the people them do the cutting and them up there the dead house. So
yeah, she
go and give them a money and him get for him cut and him bury upon the 9th day when him dead, the funeral. Right, you have your money for bury your dead and you have them you get the body, you know, where you keep it for.
True.
As long as you have 6 people to carry that damn coffin, you enough keep the damn dead. So them say Obia, she get very fair dead so quick. So when them kill Michael now, everybody did run away and they call her and tell her say them are gonna kill she and her daughter in the house. So she come with police cause she did a big policeman where you saw immigration police, Mr. Campbell, I don't know if you know him. Mr. Campbell you saw him live over. Nice man. And them organize and go down there with soldier and police. When me hear me have to say then how you get chuck and sick so quick.
A connection man.
So them move out and the boy if one night time them up on me head and me hear so my sister send call Mr. Campbell and tell them for send police up there and them have to leave. She said no kill nobody, just make them leave. So them left and down a west now. Them down there kill people. Cause they have 2 nephews in the clique, you know, him sister son and him brother son.
That's a DNA where you used to get trouble from back in the days?
Yeah man.
Yeah
man, from about 78. They dead about 78.
Can you know Willie I got them is a par?
Yeah man, I saw me know I got car when the jungle man them run where the wild bunch them and them come back down that way there. I saw me know him. So they must go kill one man on the railroad cause them have some cousin down a garden, you know, that Bowser son them. And for them mother it have bad family down there. I no care where I go on when she there with Bowser. She left from Ghana, come up there. Nobody no trouble her. Come up Regent Street, come straight. Yeah, them no all friend of the 70s. Nobody no trouble her because she never a bad family, them down there too. So them
just like the Sprat them and Turnabout family.
Them grew up now. Mr. Bowser's son, them grew up now. Them used to call one Mr. Brown and the little brother. I mean, I don't know, but them was the man Dudus was right hand man or next whatever you call that.
Yeah.
So me hear say when them go kill the man pan, them used to give peer trouble down the car. Them kill all somebody down a Regent Street, and when them go down, them not just keep them behind quiet. So them go to him catch him know say them man him a family. So them Mr. Brown them used to call him. So when them say anything or anything, cause you know Dudus policy. Me and Dudus a cousin, you know, but him no by father's side, not by my mother's side.
You and Jim Brown a family?
No, Dudus, no. Remember, him grandmother and we are cousins, some family from father, because she named Madden, Jice Madden, and we are Madden family, but by my father's side. So, Jice Madden daughter now is Dudus' mother, so we and them are family by my father's side, but we never make the connection. We just know how our father tell we, and we never, you know, our father is a man. We never make we know our family. Him just tell we say so and so our family and so on. And so it's still
true.
Guys, mad no, so we are not a family. So, when them go tell Mr. Brown or Mr. Brown say anything, you know, Dudus thing was fame father friend them and a fame friend them.
Yeah, I saw him say. So, that contribute to him demise too, you know.
That's a them policy.
Yeah. Eat that thing.
So him now, them the police, them now go shoot up my nephew dead and other people dead, cripple, all kind of sitting. The two boy them dead, the two nephew them dead. But after that killing go on now, you know, say them kill one of Bowser's son and a garden it happen and nobody do him big brother down there and it's a top secret and it don't know nobody no know cause I can't find out who kill him brother, so him left out a garden and live on Regent Street. Him live on Regent Street now. Him and the police them he have a lawsuit with the police them and there, so the police them come down, they swoop down there one Sunday morning. Me and her still talk and you know, they still talk. When him dead, I think Pops dead after him and all buried. That Beverly Pang's son with a DNA. Him dead like the January. I think Pops dead the March and bury. All 3 months when I think him bury it, them not get him body. The police will not release him body because him have a lawsuit. You can't have lawsuit with police and still not here. You have to hide under a bulb.
Yeah. Boy, expect you have to know where you're doing them thing there, you know. Hey, some police are terrorists still doing them, I tell you, you know.
So as some years, so the police them swoop down upon him and shoot him up. Them all them say me not go catch water, cause you know water going at them neighborhood there sometime.
Yeah.
And the police them catch the water and wash with the blood and throw him in the car and go in. All 3 months, 4 months after the money they film bury, you know, cause his mother family they find and go down, they go pay for the funeral and everything.
So why police them say all them kill him? What them say why them kill him?
When I tell you them have a last, me say them have a lawsuit with the police, them I don't know for what, I don't know the details.
Yeah, but the police them kill him. So what reason them, what justification them do for kill him?
Them not have no reason. Them not, me don't know whether, you know, them are gonna come up with something. But that's the reason why them kill him, because the lawsuit and it look like him never come out winning.
You can't, you have to go a country, go hide out until it done.
But you see, I go and tell you something, believe it or not, it's retribution justice. You know, so them father buy out a war in a 1963 and kill my brother in a bus theater. My biggest brother. Stab him and kill him, which was a theme war. And nobody no know about it. It was a top secret America. Me come here, come know say him, Bowser killed my brother.
So why him kill your brother for?
Alright. Them say my brother did bad enough. Him not afraid of nobody. Cause one time I asked Billy Nas that a Bowser brother, big brother. Cause me just have the feelings, cause everybody around us are supposed to know where did I go on. And one day when me ask Billy Nas, and them a tell me say, cause my sister did there with Popsy, that Danny Wilder's brother. And Danny Wilder's sister did there with my brother. So me here say if Popsy beat my sister Joseph, go beat him sister. And that's how the war start.
I'm not a fool.
So them gang my brother had broke him 2 and me here. Cause them time them auntie them live up on 44. Cause we didn't live a back a wall them time there.
Yeah.
I was 3-year-old. Me never know them time they were going when me come back at town, me. But me, all my life, me and my mother, I talk about Joseph every day before from him dead. She call him name all 3-4 times for the day. And remember say my father carry upon Spanish Town would go buy clothes and we got white clothes and white shoes. I was 3-year-old, but remember them things, but me don't remember the actual funeral. I remember the night we in the house the back while I'm here, somebody knock the door, I'm here, my mother get up and go door, I'm here, she scream out and start ball, and then she put on her clothes and go away. And so we never have electric was lamp, we cover up under the sheet. And long after my mother come back, and then she take off her clothes and go into the bed. And them never tell you, back then them people not tell you say your brother there. Cause I never live with we. Remember one time him come there, him beat Keith, and I was saying, "Time grow big, if you give my mother money, if you don't give my mother money, me kill you, boy." And then the next time, no, me never see him again. Me not really know him as my brother. Him come because I used to live with my auntie at 44 Melcar Street, and which me never know at the time. Cause me a little picnic, me a 3-year-old. One day me run at the front of the yard, a back a wall, and me come out and me see this guy ride up on this bicycle. And me and my sister, her name Sonia, and him said, "My sister, what?" And I said, "I don't know you. You is not my brother." And him say, "Yeah, you're my brother. You're my sister. Come here." And him put me on the bicycle side. Yeah, and put me on the bar side and put my sister on the angle and ride. We go under one lime tree. And you know, the sucks up, man, them used to pass. Beep, beep, for the kiss cup. Where them ice cream, man, them with the bike. And him stop the fudge, man, and say, anything we want if we take it. So him did it, him bite, give it, we eat it. And then him drop way off back and say, all right, next time. And him come back all the next week and do the same thing again. And
yeah.
And after a while, even when him dead, me never remember him. A long after me, I say, you know, when me about 12, 13, me have go back and I say, Joseph, oh, me can't remember him. I know my mother talk about him all the while, but I couldn't remember say he might be kids. One day me and my mother talk about him. I remember back say me that him come the day that beat a brother for true. I remember back that. I remember I could never remember saying you used to come carry go buy ice cream. And one day I sit down and I think and I say if I have a big brother, I must remember, I must used to come around me. And I remember the bicycle when him come the day and say, my sister, what happened? And he say, I'm my favorite little sister, you know. I remember that. Me have to think hard and say, oh, I couldn't remember my brother. But anyway, after me and my mother scream out the night and she put on her clothes and she go away, and long after she come back, me cover up under the sheet, you know. But remember before that happened, you know, every morning I wake up, rat bite up my foot bottom. And my mother used to say, somebody I got dead. Every morning, and I just my foot bottom alone, the rat them used to bite up.
So how not rat in a phone house?
Me don't know, I don't see the rat them. Me a little pit, me a 3-year-old, me don't know. Every morning, I couldn't even, some time when them bite up my foot bottom, I can't walk. And my mother used to say, I'm a good sign, somebody I got dead.
Yeah, one thing still doing, you know, get the people that love the other business bad, you know what do?
And yeah, man, enough people indulge in them things.
Yeah, man, and them love talk about said, oh, me, watch me, I mash you up, you know.
I you know say, we come back and live a girl in the street. I remember about when I 12-year-old. Because I look me, you know. The whole of the man them that look me, big man them that look me. I remember I was about 24 them time there. And one day I up on the corner of Blunt Street and I say Danny Wilder's driving car. I said I like that pussy hole there, you know.
I don't trust it.
Yeah, and them say Bowser, me and Bowser they stand up and them say for a little girl that's a powerful saying to say, oh you mean? And I say I don't like him because him, and him say, why you don't like him? I say because him kill my brother. And him, the family of them gang my brother and kill him. And him say, who was your brother? And I tell him, and scratching me, I get stabbed and I say, you know, something touched me, but we couldn't connect it, you know.
Then
But
yeah.
me not forgot it. And that drag something in my brain. That's why when we run a superstar and billionaires, because we always used to run over artists and thing, and although they must be a man for we and thing, and you know, one day I said to him, say, me know you know how my brother did, you know, and he might tell me one bag of shit.
Oh, Bowser?
Billionaires. After the big brother, and he must tell me, say, oh, my brother did a bad man and everybody afraid of him, and the man them gang him and beat him up and broke up him, man. And him swear, so when the man them come off, when the bandit come off, him and him will kill off the whole of them. So I saw them plan now to kill my brother the night at the Abbas theater. But auntie them tell him never forgot it at the show the night, you know, them beg him everybody, them say the whole day, them tell him don't go show the night, those was a triple bill. And the night, them say him going like a bar, you know, under the upstairs where them living, and them say him going at the bar and him punch the music 4 times. And me, them never tell me the song where him punch, and them going to say him play the song 4 times, 5 times, because I think them time they get how much song for
10
cents.
For 10 cents.
Cent never in, man, it was shilling.
Oh, okay, that's a nice 60s, yeah.
Yeah, so me grew up now and me used to love listen to old music, and me and my mother sing the whole song, man. This song used to always I sing it, and one day me I sing it and my sister come there. My big sister come and she hear me I sing it, and she say, where you know that song they from? I say, me don't know, I just love listen to old music and I like it. And sometimes it just come in my head and I just sing it. And she said she don't like hear that song because Joseph had play 5 times before him
kill him. Before them kill him.
Yeah, before him got the show the night. Oh, the song, I can't remember the song. It's like the end. It's like the end of the world. Where is my girl? I lost my love. And it's like the end of the world. One day my sister come here, me and sing it, and so she not like hear that song there. I say, why? She say, my brother did punch the night so much time before him got the show. So anyway, what if people say who killed my brother, but them it was like a top secret.
Nobody not talk.
Nobody not talk. But my mother have it say a popsy them kill him because she had them and him in a war.
Yeah.
But a foreign me come and know this guy where used to live, Akibod, auntie. When I come to Brooklyn and me used to live in.
So we have come to the end of part 6, of this series. I'm telling you about the life of General Starkey. And I know this is shocking news to most Jamaican people, not knowing, because even yours truly, I didn't even know that General Starkey and Jim Brown and Dudus were related, that they were blood cousins. So you hear that for yourself today. So parts 7, will be coming up shortly. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.